Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do this birdcage, revamp it, because it is looking a little, it needs a nice cleanup. I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. So first I'm going to go ahead and clean up these roots a little bit. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna leave all the outside ones there. Like this, I like the way they're looking. I need to treat this after. I'm gonna go ahead and take these long leggy ones that are in the middle here and cut low. Like these, I'll cut low because I want the middle to look full. So I'm cutting those out, and then I'm gonna clean out these dead ones here. I'm just cleaning out the dead ones. Some of these little ones I'm gonna pull out too, the ones that are not looking that great. Trying to clean up this little one. I'll leave this one, but just trying to clean up the little dead leaves around it. I'm just trying to loosen up the soil here so I can place more plants in here. Oops. Okay. So like that. These I'm going to trim up here. Okay, so I have this kind of ready. I'm gonna add more, let's see, sedums in there, some more green. So give me 1 second. So I just took some of these. I'm just gonna put them in here. Fill in this side here. Just take it like that and put it in the soil. They will root, just like the ones previously in there did. Okay. And let's see here. I'm gonna take little cuttings here, just place it right here. These ones I'm gonna put here. These leggy ones I want to use to kind of hang over here. These are just my ones that are going to come out of the planter here. Then I'll take these ones, just kind of fill in here. And there. Then let me go get more cuttings from my garden to add. Alright. Try not to take too many cuttings. It's supposed to rain soon. But let's put these in here. So I got the, I think it's called ogre ear. I'm gonna set that one in the center. Like that. And then I'm gonna set this one here. Let me see. Make a little hole for it there. Pop this one right there. I got some more of these here. I'm just gonna pop in. This one you have to take cuttings because there's no way that you can put in rooted plants. Okay, let me see what I have here. A couple of aeoniums here. This one too. I'm just popping in there. And just like that. Let me see. Okay, I won't pop a color here. Just find something, maybe an aeonium. Let's see. I think this will add a nice pop of color. And this one I'll have to put in inside. Or just, I'll probably hang it over here so that it doesn't get any rain. Yeah, I really like how that looks. Let me go ahead and show you. So just like that. It is revamped. And hopefully some of the new ones grow over here on this side. Let me take it off so you can see it better. So here it is. It's nice and full now. If I want to, I could pop more in here. But I think I'll just leave it like this for now. See how the growth does. And after it's rainy, I can put some new ones in. But these I'll go ahead and leave out of the rain so my cuttings don't rot. Just like that, you can revamp something and make it look nice and full again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!